Hello viewers, this is Shifali Udgata, the host of this all new exciting show, which is Big Wigs Talk Show. Well, yes, I definitely believe that we are delighted and excited to meet amazing personalities here. So this very day, we have somebody who is an inspiration to all of us. In the business since last 30 years, with creating a brand which has an immense brand value. Well, yes, a philanthropist, not just a successful businessman, but absolutely a person who believes in welfare and serving people. So now is the time that we introduce you all to none other than Sunil Murarka. Well, hello sir and welcome to this exciting show, and it's truly an honor to have you here. We are definitely looking forward to talk about your business, your lifestyle, and of course, your success story. So I have a list of questions, but before that, I want you to speak to our audience and address them with you.
Jai Jagannath, myself Sunil Murarka, Managing Director, Muskan Group.
All right, so that was a very crisp introduction. Well, as I said, you have a list of questions, so I'll make sure that I'll grind you a bit with the questions. So I guess you're all ready?
Yeah, sure.
Perfect, that's the spirit. All right, so my first question is, we have heard a lot of success stories, and your success story is indeed the most unique one. So what motivated you to get into the business? Well, was it a family legacy or was it your startup? So what was the history of it?
It was a family legacy.
Okay.
My father came here in Cuttack in the year 1965 with nearly 500 rupees. He started working here with his Mamaji, you can say maternal, and after that he started his own business at Malkodam, Cuttack, and from there the empire started. He was a hard workaholic, and in the year 1995 we started this Muskan Group. Just after passing of my BCom, my graduation, after passing of my graduation we started this. And in 1997 we got our first production in the month of April, and from then there was 31 industries in biscuit manufacturing. Right now we are the only one manufacturing industries in our own brand name.
So what a tough fighting with near about 31 brands to the only successful brand existing in the state, all across India, I would believe.
No, in state we are only.
In state,
yeah.
Perfect, wonderful. So well sir, every business have a saturation point and a point which is the most memorable for all of us. So which is that very moment which was an absolutely satisfying moment for you in your business in specific?
This was the last year COVID, from April to you can say July or August.
Right.
It was the boom period for our biscuit industries.
Okay.
We could serve many peoples through our biscuits only, because there was all the shops were closed, all the restaurants were closed. Only people were having biscuits or whatever they can get.
Right.
So it was the boom period for our industry.
Well sir, as we have been into a sneak peek of the entire factory and how the processing begins, when it comes to employment generation, I think you have been doing an incredible job. But just because we had a talk about pandemic, was it also a sort of difficulty to run the business during the tenure? Because pandemic has hit businesses in extreme adverse times. So what do you have to say about it?
Yeah, that is true, because nowadays, last year we could not understand, we were in a boom period.
Right.
But this year, this second wave, what it has come, our sales has gone down up to 40 to 50%.
Okay.
But still then we cannot leave our employees, so we have to keep them intact. Otherwise, we cannot, after that period, we cannot get the employment, because nowadays, employment you cannot get so easily. People, and one more thing is that the government policies, the state government and the central government, they are giving so much to the, you can say the weak peoples, right, so that they don't need to do employ. They are getting free chawals and all, everything they are getting. But still then, so we have to keep intact. So we are keeping them, and our employment, our employers, they are very good. They are with us since last 20 years.
Lovely. So that is what I was just saying you, that he's not just a successful businessman, but when it comes to welfare and making sure that people have a wonderful life because of his presence. So that is an example which definitely undermines my statement. Moving on to the next question here. So every business has a strategy, has a vision, has a mission. When I talk about Muskan Company, it's definitely a name which is in every household these days. What is your plan about its future? How are we planning to expand it or take it to the next level?
Yes, I want to say that मुस्कान, हर घर की मुस्कान, हम लोग यही चाहते हैं कि हर घर में मुस्कान हम बिखेरें।
बिल्कुल।
हमारा एक ही क्या है कि हम जो है, हमारा मेन एम इज दैट वी विल गिव गुड प्रोडक्ट्स at a reasonable prices so that people can buy it. Why people will buy Muskan? First of all, we will think that why people buy Muskan products if they are getting at a reasonable prices and a good quality. And our future plan is we are marketing in Eastern India and have also started marketing pan India. And soon we will be also exporting.
Perfect. So definitely a bigger plan because we will be having Muskan Har Ek Ghar Mein with a big smile indeed.
Yes.
All right. So moving on to my next question. Just because I personally had an opportunity to make sure that I look around this beautiful place and how it works, and you have a beautiful R&D team, you have a beautiful marketing team, preparation of all of this, giving it a thought of executing it, because we all have a plan in us. What is the difficult part is the execution of it. So when you started off with this execution, what were the troubles that you had to undergo?
Yeah, when we started our biscuit industry, I said you earlier that there was 31 industries.
Right.
So competing with them, it was because they were marketing from last 20 to 25 years. You can say they were well established brand. So that time we were giving the best prices at the best quality. That only the main motto was our that to give best price at the best quality at the best price.
So as we had a lot of talk with you, now coming on to the varieties and product ranges, how do you think has justified the market and the target audience?
See, we produce our products for keeping in view all the sectors, like from small to very big sectors. So we produce all the varieties. We are producing around 65 varieties in biscuits. Keeping in view the sector, everybody can buy. You can say from ₹2 to 40 rupees range we are having. So that a common man can also buy, a rich man can also buy. So we keeping in view in that only, we produce all the varieties.
All the varieties in different price ranges.
In different price
ranges. So it starts from like ₹1 package to a 100-gram package to a 500-gram. Wonderful. So all these decisions were from the very beginning by the R&D team and executing it in a
starting we had started with only 10 varieties.
Right.
By the time when we entered the market, the market scenario, we saw the market scenario and the market demand. So we started that way.
Right. So still now I believe there is a part where competition exists. So why do you think Muskan is different from other brands? Because every brand believes in sustainability, making it reasonable. What is different in Muskan?
That is very true. See, our main motto is that we give margin to the retailers.
Okay.
Where the MNC, they don't give the margin to the retailers. Because if the retailers get the margin, so he will surely try to sell the product in which he gets the good profit. So our main motto is that we give some margin to the retailers so that they can sell our products.
Right. So they also get a token sum of profit, and of course we get to sell our product.
Yes.
And talking about employment generation, how many staffs do we have currently and how many female employees do we have in the company?
We have around 200 to 300 employees and around 10 to 15 female employees.
Right. And as sir already mentioned that during the pandemic, everybody has been served really well. Well, so business की बातें तो बहुत होगी. We have had all the technicalities that we need to discuss, but it's definitely unfair if we don't talk about a little bit of lifestyle. Well, we definitely had a lot of talk about business, but I have also come across a lot of your pictures and your passion for social welfare activities. So I would like to hear something about that as well. कि कब, कैसे और कहाँ था?
See, मैंने अभी तक 84 times I have donated blood myself.
Wow.
And I'm associated with many NGOs like Lions Clubs and Marudiya Manch. And in this pandemic, in our CSR also from Muskan, we are distributing 700 to 1000 cooked foods every day. And even we are also to 70 to 100 kg biscuits to the stray dogs.
Lovely.
and we are also preparing rotis and also distributing to the animals, cows के लिए जैसे गाय हो या और
जी जी
and also many times every day we are अगर किसी को ब्लड की दरकार हुई तो हम उसको हेल्प करते हैं, ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर सभी दरकार हुए तो हम उसको सप्लाई करते हैं. So it's going on. I got a passion to serve the people.
Lovely. Well, I won't say that's a passion. That is something that should be within every human being, and that's what makes you different and gentle from others. So thank you so much, especially for being so kind, because when he talks about oxygen cylinders that we need in pandemics, to delivering foods and making sure that not even a single animal goes hungry, because Muskan Biscuits सबके चेहरे पे मुस्कान लेके आएगी. और राइट, सो इतनी सारी बातें होने के बाद आई टोटली बिलीव दैट ये थोड़ी सी नाइंसाफी हो जाएगी कि अगर आपके साथ थोड़ी सी मस्ती ना की जाए. सो नाउ इज द टाइम दैट आई ब्रिंग इन अ लॉट मोर क्वेश्चन, बट इस बार सोचने का टाइम आपको थोड़ा कम देंगे. आई गिव यू अ लिटिल लेस टाइम टू थिंक. सो इट्स अ रैपिड फायर.
Okay.
द क्वेश्चन विल बी ऑन एंड ऑन एंड ऑन, एंड यू विल नॉट बी गेटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम टू आंसर देम. सो यू शुड नॉट हैव अ सेकंड थॉट. फटाक से आंसर चाहिए हमें.
Sure, I'll try my best.
Definitely. All right, so here we go with the rapid fire with none other than Sunil Murarka. So the first question, favorite author? Okay, never mind. Movies or series?
Movies.
Movies. Bollywood or Hollywood?
Bollywood.
Bollywood. Same, I go for Bollywood as well. Favorite Odia actress?
Actress.
Yes.
You can say Archita Sahu.
Archita Sahu. All right. How do we define love in just one word?
Love is blind.
Love is blind. Well, yes. Fit or fat?
Fit.
Fit. Travel or save money?
Travel.
Travel. Absolutely, I second him. Sachin Tendulkar or MS Dhoni?
Sachin Tendulkar.
Sachin Tendulkar. Well, love marriage or arranged marriage?
Both.
Both. वैसे आपकी क्या हुई है सर?
It's arranged.
Arranged. All right. Moving on to the next question. What is your weakness?
My weakness is I generally believe in the people's.
You believe
words.
in people. Well, yes. When we talk about weakness, let's talk about strength as well. So what is your strength?
My strength is my brother.
Your brother, definitely. And what has been a controversy in life that you still remember?
There's no controversy.
Oh, life is very peaceful for Sunil sir. Lovely. Vegetarian or non-vegetarian?
Veg.
Vegetarian. Most favorite food?
Dahi vada aloo dum.
Arey वाह, dahi vada and aloo dum. What was your last anniversary gift to your wife?
I didn't give anyone. Not a gift. Single gift.
I'm
But I
not
received.
I receive gifts, but I don't believe in giving. Never mind. And
All is hers.
all is hers. Everything belongs to her. What a lucky wife, I must say. Well, last but not the least, 5 lines about the show and Utkal updates.
Utkal Updates is very, last year only I heard about Utkal Updates, and within a year it has reached a height, and really my best wishes to Utkal Updates and team, and really it will go very, very high. It will touch the sky.
Absolutely. On that achieving note, it was wonderful to have this beautiful talk session with you, and congratulations on building this beautiful empires, and we believe this legacy continue for years and years and years together. Congratulations
Thank
again.
you.
So stay tuned. We will be having a lot of such amazing journey and memories with all our lovely viewers. So this was with us, our inspiring personality, our big wig, bringing to you the big dreamers, and we had today with us Sunil Murarka. Thank you so much.
Namaste. Thank you.